Hi, my name is Krista, and I am the owner of Emmett Creamery here in Emmett, Idaho. My husband and I wanted to create a business that had a welcoming environment for our wonderful town. It is a town that is seeing a lot of growth right now, and ice cream is something that all generations can come together and enjoy. We opened our shop in January of 2025, so we are approaching our second summer and are very eager to see all of these cheerful faces coming in. We grew up, both my husband and I grew up in a small town, and we want to keep a family oriented business. And Emmett is a wonderful town. And so my business tries to harness the simple joys of life, which happen to be ice cream for us, and create a welcoming environment for everyone to come in. Our ice cream shop is something that we take great pride in. I make all of our ice cream here on site. We use a cane sugar base, so there is no high fructose corn syrup. We have all natural colors and flavors, and we use fresh local ingredients whenever possible. We also have some great baked goods, and you can get a variety of milkshakes, floats, brownie sundaes, kind of anything to suit your sweet craving. I love being a business owner in Emmett because it has a small, quaint feeling. The group of customers that come through our door week after week bring so much value to our business. And I feel like it is making us more rooted in our community, which is very passionate to both me and my husband. We like to be invested in our community in all ways. So we have a lot of donation requests that come in. We love helping out our local schools, 4-H, and any other kind of independent youth program. Our youth is the foundation of our community. And I have 3 children, and it is very important to me to make sure that we give back to our community whenever possible. One of my local favorite businesses is probably either Cowboys Chop House or Scotty's Deli. They're both right here on Main Street, and they offer a wide variety of different dining experiences. Emmett is growing, and our downtown has a lot of potential, so I love to see these businesses expanding hours and being available for our town. Some advice I'd like to offer is don't give up. Sometimes things can get really frustrating. Always be prepared for the unexpected. Our town has, again, so much potential, great staff. You just need to get out there and have a good vision of what you want and just chase after it. So we are located right here on Main Street in Emmett, Idaho. I have a Facebook page and an Instagram page. The handle is @Emmett Creamery. We also have a website, and we are open Tuesday through Sunday.